Hello everyone, welcome to Informatica GCS support video. I am Nitin, and in this video we shall understand Oracle CDC log access methods with relevance to database ingestion and replication product. The type of Oracle log access methods. We have direct log access, NFS-mounted logs, B-file access to logs in Oracle server file system by using directory objects, and ASM managed logs. The database ingestion and replication incremental load and combined initial and incremental load jobs can access the Oracle redo logs for CDC processing in alternate ways depending on customer's environment and requirement. The very beginning or the straightforward one is direct log access. Database ingestion and replication jobs can directly access the physical Oracle redo logs on the on-prem source system to read the change data. Here is a note that if you store the logs on solid state disk, that is SSD, this method can give best performance. So the Oracle database writes change records to database logs on disk. The database ingestion and replication CDC reader reads the physical log files and extracts change records from the log files for the source tables of CDC interest. The database ingestion and replication CDC writer reads the change records, and then the CDC writer applies the change records to the target. A note here, the direct log access method, this can be called as a vanilla implementation. However, having a secure agent on database server may be intrusive to DB machine and most likely not preferred option by database admins. Thus, we look at other methods of Oracle log access which are widely considered for implementation. In that stream, next we have is NFS log access. Let us have a look at direct log access properties for now. So this is a sample connection for Oracle database ingestion type. So here you can see the respective Oracle DB username, password, host, port, and service name details are provided, and rest of the properties for CDC are left blank or inactive or set to false. So as mentioned, let us discuss about NFS log access. NFS mounted logs. Database ingestion and replication jobs can access to Oracle database logs from shared disk by using a network file sharing mount or another method such as network attached storage or clustered storage. So the Oracle database writes change records to database log files. The log files are written to shared disk as shown in this architectural diagram. The shared disk can be on any system that allows the files to appear as local to both database and secure agent hosts. The sharing can be achieved by using NFS as shown here. The database ingestion and replication CDC reader reads the log files from the NFS server over the network and extracts the change records for source tables of CDC interest. The database ingestion and replication CDC writer reads the change records and then further applies the change records to the target. So this method is recommended, and we basically when NFS log access is used, here the network distance plays a very vital role. So secure agent and DB should be co-located or have minimal network distance between them. Next, let's understand how the connection creation plays a role here. So the additional changes to the previous one, if we have an NFS directory, is as shown in this screenshot. provided the NFS log mount path is different compared to the actual archive log file. Then we edit this directory substitution parameter where we give server path prefix comma local path prefix. If there are multiple, then we separate it using a semicolon. So the server path prefix is the original value on the server, and the local path prefix could be for the one on the NFS mount. Further, the ASM managed logs and B file log access, these methods shall be covered in the next video. So this is the summary and the reference documentation which you can go through. And we would like to hear from you. Please reach us on supportvideos@informatica.com, https://twitter.com/infasupport. Thank you.